My Grab driver was more comforting than a therapist and changed my whole night. Booked a Grab last night after a long, nakakaburat day. My plan was simple. Get home, eat junk food, and pass out. At first, it was just the usual small talk. Saan tayo, boss? But then Kuya glances at me through the rearview mirror and says, "Parang ang bigat ng araw mo, sir. Okay ka lang?" I don't know what came over me, but I ended up unloading. I told him about the pressure at work, how my barkada has been MIA since they got into relationships, and my low-key panic about turning 30 and feeling like I'm going nowhere. I was half expecting him to just nod and turn up the radio. But no, Kuya delivered. "Boss, ang buhay parang jeep. Minsan puno, minsan kailangan mong magsabit. Pero kahit anong mangyari, ang importante tuloy lang ang biyahe. Yung barkada mo, hayaan mo sila. Di mo kailangan ng konduktor sa buhay mo, basta alam mo kung saan ka bababa, ikaw na bahala. Kung wala kang napupuntahan sa ngayon, baka reroute lang yan. Waste din minsan ang buhay, boss." It wasn't just what he said, but how he said it. Calm, no judgment, like he really cared. By the time we got to my stop, I felt lighter than I had in weeks. I realized I hadn't just gotten a ride home. I got a reminder that life isn't always about being in control. Sometimes you just got to trust the route. Before getting out, I told Kuya, "Salamat, boss. Solid ka." Gave him 5 stars, a tip, and my respect kasi, honestly, that advice hit harder than any motivational video or self-help book. On nights like this, I wonder if maybe the best therapists don't have fancy degrees. They're just strangers who genuinely listen.